Future Core, I'm totally stoked. I mean, we had a great week here. I mean, where it's headed, the camaraderie, the information, you know, from other business owners, from just other contractors, just talking to them on a daily basis. And I think where this is going collectively, not to use that pun, collective, because that's what it was. But collectively, as a group, like where this is headed, the insurance carriers we're working with, it's a different thing. It really is the un-TPA, and it's not something we're used to in the industry, and I think it's going to be great.
What I enjoy most about being a core member is being around a group of people that are inspiring for the same goal. Like, that is the most, I don't know, the coolest experience that I've had so far. And then probably the most impactful thing is just learning that everybody is in this to win it. Like, we really want to make a movement, and I think that is so important in what we're all trying to do. Everybody's on the same page, everybody's here to lift each other up and not bring each other down.
So I'm so excited about this conference that I just attended. I've been an elite member of CORE now for 2 years, and we just finished the collective conference. I've never experienced anything like this before. The details and the love that the staff has put together to make an environment for us contractors to come together and to talk and to kind of collaborate and work as a team to make the program, the organization better. So I'm looking forward to the future of more events and more opportunities for contractors to come together and to learn and to grow.
What I'm most looking forward to is being with Vault Insurance, you know, a newer high net worth carrier, forming this partnership with CORE, pretty much in the same boat. We're looking for a mutual partnership to strengthen and build on providing that white glove service. It's hugely important. So what I'm most excited about there is just seeing this relationship blossom as we continue to grow and expand our footprint as a high net worth carrier. We're also looking to expand this relationship and strengthen with the best of the best.
What I'm looking most forward to is the opportunity for growth. I said it's a great opportunity to have with fellow restoration contractors going for the same focus, same vision, same goals.
I'm really excited to be here. I think the future of CORE is in great hands. Through this past few days, I saw a number of great contractors ready to turn the restoration industry on its head. I couldn't be more excited to be a part of this company, and looking forward to the future with CORE.
The thing I'm looking most forward to with CORE is just to see where it's going to go. It's pretty amazing what Dan Casera and his team have built here in the short time that CORE's been around. It's pretty amazing. I'm super excited to see what it looks like, and I'm super excited to be a part of it and help shape where this group of companies is going.
I'm looking forward to more meetings like this. You know, I think this was a great event, and you know, what we've built with the other elite members, being able to collaborate with them and being able to make each other better. You know, I really loved some of the meetings that we had here today, the white glove meeting, and seeing how we can make each other better.
I'm really looking forward to building this amazing network, getting deeper into the involvement, really learning from all of these other people that are around us in this industry, people who care about what they're doing. They educate themselves, they take their jobs seriously, as we do at InsureCom, and I'm really looking forward to becoming better at what we do through learning from other amazing groups.
Collective was great, education was awesome, and met some phenomenal people.